How to earn money on Minddrift. Have you ever wondered how you can turn your creativity into cash? Stay tuned to discover how Minddrift can help you make money online. So, hello guys, and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how you can leverage Minddrift to create and sell unique digital products. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start earning money online. So let's get started. First of all, what is Minddrift? Minddrift is a powerful EA-driven platform that helps you generate creative content from digital art or written material. It's designed to spark creativity and assist you in producing high quality, marketable content, whether you are an artist, writer, or just someone with a creative flair. Minddrift can be your secret weapon for creating unique products. So let's know some types of content you can create. First, with Minddrift, you can create a variety of digital products such as ebooks, stock photos, custom illustrations, and more. Imagine some beautifully designed digital planners on Etsy or licensing your stunning stock photos on Shutterstock. The possibilities are endless, and the market for digital products is growing rapidly. So let's take a look at how you can create a unique piece of digital art with Minddrift. First of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into minddrift.ea. Here we have the homepage. As you can see, we have here other options like our roles, EA Tutors Writer, EA Tutors Domain Expert, EA Tutors Editor, and EA Tutors Expert Annotator. Then we have blog, about us, fact, fig, and login for EA Tutor. Then we have some information like the definition of EA tutors. This is a new role arising from advancement in EA technology. EA tutors are experts involved in EA projects. Their responsibilities include crafting texts, evaluating the EA's response, and conducting fact checks. Here we have some comments. As you can see, we're ready to more understand. Then we have the definition of Minddrift. Minddrift is a community of freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence, dedicated to generating high-quality data for improving IEA. Here we have other information like try your hand at EA projects, apply your knowledge in a new way, and enrich your portfolio. And we have work from anywhere and anytime. Enjoy the freedom of a part-time schedule. Get paid based on project complexity. Then we have collaborate and learn. Join forces with fellow experts, setting a new standard for EA, all under the guidance of experienced team lead. Here we have responsibilities, as you can see, and the requirement. Responsibility, we have review and verify the work done by others and suggest improvement. Then we have formulate clear, effective instructions for annotation projects. Then we have develop training tasks for EA projects. For requirement, we have great command of English, intermediate or higher. Then we have A for detail. Data labeling is all about precision. Then we have readiness to learn new technologies, adapt to new projects, and follow complex instructions. Then we have here initiation, meticulous specialists who administrate AI projects and ensure the highest quality of prompt generation and data markup. Then we have writing and editing, an opportunity for writers, editors, and language professionals to combine technical skills and creativity in an innovative way. Domain experts, we are looking for subject matter experts in various domains from law to engineering who will join our mission to unchain EA. You can apply here. As you can see, we have here first name. You can put your first name, then your last name, email, phone number, country, like in profile, personal website. Click over here if you are agree that you can keep your data for an extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact me about job opportunities. So if you want to submit the application, all you have to do is click over here So that's it for how to apply and this information, as you can see. So let's come back to the top to know other information like blog role. You can click over the one you want. If you are a writer, if you are the domain expert, editor, expert annotator, then we have blog, as you can see, and we have other options like roles, insights, as you can see. Also you have, then we have stories, as you can see. We have forest stories. You can click over the one you want. Then we have podcast. We have podcast interview with Tanisha, interview with Amy, Charlie also. Then we have fake. So here we have some questions and his answers. So all you have to do is read the questions and click over here to get your answer. And we have, do I need AI development experience? What is an AI tutor? What does a typical task look like? How many tasks will I be able to get? Can I be an AI tutor if I already have a job? Why could want to be why would I want to be an AI tutor? What does the day of an AI tutor look like? What does the application process look like? Then we have pay, as you can see, skill requirement. Pay, we have how do I get paid? How much will I get paid? All you have to do is click over here and they give you your answer. About skill requirement, we have, will I need to perform a set amount of hours every week? Here we have, how flexible is this opportunity? So now let's know how to sell your content. After you created your digital product, it's time to sell it. Websites like Etsy are perfect for digital downloads, while Shutterstock is great for stock image. Setting up a sale account is straightforward. On Etsy, click Sell on Etsy and follow the prompt to create your shop. On Shutterstock, sign up as a contributor and upload your images. Amazon Kindle is perfect for ebooks. Just follow their publishing guidelines to get started. And there you have it. With Minddrift, making money online has never been easier. Start creating today and turn your passion into profit. And hit bell icon for more tips on making money online. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.